It's 2022, and you're probably sitting at home going, I want to get rid of my 9-to-5 job. I want to work from home. I want to make money while I sleep so that I don't have to go to work and get COVID from all these yucky people and work for a boss that I hate. Duh, why wouldn't you want to do that? So here's how you do it. Let me show you the proof I'm doing it. I was where you were probably a year ago, and now it's 3 weeks in. It's January 21st of 2022, and look at how much money I've already made. $1,800. That's in 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks. That's passive income because that's work I've already done in the past and I'm still making money from it. Click the link to find out how I do it.